Hello everyone, welcome back to PixelMate. So today we will be showing how to make a retro logo in Adobe Illustrator. So I have taken an artboard of 1000 by 1000 pixels. So first I'm gonna make two boxes for my color palettes. I have already chosen the color palettes that I'm gonna be working with for foreground color and also for the background color. All right, so I will be suggesting you to work with two colors only, and also choose a very lighter color for the foreground and a deepish color for the background. All right, so I'm gonna write something here first. Let's write pixel made. All right, that's my YouTube channel. Let's write pixel made, and I will be taking Erase Demi as my go-to font for this project. So pixel made. And now when you have the text and everything ready, now go to transform, then go to shear. So you will have it at horizontal and at -0, and maybe the preview option won't be checked, so check it. Go to vertical, and I'm gonna go at -4 degrees. All right, so if you go positive, it's gonna go in downwards. If you go negative, it's gonna go upwards. All right, so I'm gonna go -4, then I'm gonna hit OK. And after doing that, choose your text, right option on your mouse, and go to create outline. So after doing that, choose your text, then go to window panel. You'll see an option called appearance. Now this is how your appearance panel should look. You will have three options here. One is add new stroke, another one is add new fill, and then the third one is add new effect. So we are gonna choose add new fill first. So remember this, the first fill, we're gonna work with two fills and one stroke. So the first fill will be your foreground color, the second fill will be your background color, and your stroke should be after the two fills in serial, right? Like it's like the layers in Photoshop. So for the foreground color, I'm gonna choose the dropper and select my foreground color that I have chosen. Now I'm gonna go and hit and add new fill, choose that, choose my dropper, and select my background color. So after selecting my background color, you will see that it didn't make that much change, but if you zoom in, you will see that color in the background, right? But now choose your text, then go to effects, add new effect, distort and transform, then go to transform. From here I'm gonna go 0.02, I'm gonna go 0.2 and 0.2, then I'm gonna make 15 copies, then I'm gonna hit preview and hit OK. So now you can see that it has that slight 3D effect around the logo, around the text, right? So click that, hit add new stroke. Now you can see that my stroke is between the first fill and the second fill, which I don't want. I want the stroke to be after the two fills, right? So now I'm gonna choose a stroke color. Basically, let's go ash and increase our stroke. Let's zoom in and see how it looks. It looks like it doesn't look good, so I'm gonna go black. I'm gonna decrease my stroke. Yeah, that's how I like it. Yep. All right, now select your text, then again keeping your stroke selected, go to distort and transform, go to transform. Now we're going to work with negative value, right? -0.02 for the stroke. Try to take a very higher value in negative. So it shouldn't be like -0.1, -0.5. It should be like -0.01001. The more the digits, the better it will look, right? So -0.02, I'm going to keep it same. Then I'm gonna take 70 copies first, and I'm gonna hit preview and see how it looks. So at this point, if this is the Outlook result by the look, if you want, you can keep it. But I think I'm gonna decrease it to 60, not 70. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna hit OK now. So I'm kind of dissatisfied. I'm not satisfied with the black color for stroke. I'm gonna change that color to, let's say, this now. Yeah, this looks good, right? So I'm gonna bring it to center. We're almost done here. Now let's come down, let's bring the anchor point to intersect point. Make that centerized too, and send it to back, and choose the foreground color first. All right. Now what you want to do, you want to, after choosing the circle, you want to press Ctrl and C. You want to press Ctrl and F. Then you can just send it to back and make it big like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl F, send it to back. Yep. Choose this color. I think it's too big. Let's make it a little small. No, it's very small. At Control C, Control back. You can do Control back to CB after Control C, but that works too. Now select that, zoom it a bit more, so it might see that it might look like it's coming out of that, right? Now let's make an rectangle like this, then align center back. Should go with the foreground with the background color. Decrease the opacity. All right. Control C, Control F. Yeah, it looks good now. So what I'm gonna do is select direct selection tool, make it like this. Yeah. I'm gonna take it out. Also take it out. I'm gonna group them up like this. Bring it in front. Select all of them. Shape builder tool. I will make another video using the shape builder tool. So bring it here. Back. Yep. There you have it. So thank you very much thank you very much for staying with Pixelmade. So this is basically how you can make a basic simple retro logos. You can always customize and tweak with the tools that we show you in the tutorial videos, so that you can enhance it in your own way. uh, in tutorials we try to make it as simple as possible, so I did that. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, comment and subscribe, and share with your friends and your groups, so that everyone can know about this channel, as it's the just the beginning journey. Is very important for me or my channel to get support from you, so that I can keep on making more videos. And if I make any mistakes, please don't take it into heart. As I always say, the more the time passes by, the better I will get. That's a promise. So thank you again for staying with Pixel Made. This is Asan Kabir. Have a good day. Thank you.